Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use InVideo AI for beginners. So first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in InVideo AI. Hit enter and it is going to show you this page, this link that says InVideo AI official website. Click on this link and it will show you this page. So this is InVideo AI's page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the sign up button if you're new to InVideo AI. If you're not new or already have an account, click on login button and log into InVideo AI using your user credentials. So after logging in or signing up on InVideo AI, you will see this dashboard. So this is the InVideo AI's dashboard. Here you have this three-lined icon. When you click here, you'll have the option to navigate to Home, Media Library, and if you want plugin voices, you can click here and all the history for your videos will appear in this section. Now, this is the prompt area. Here, you'll have to give InVideo a topic, language, and a detailed instructions to create or generate a video. You also have the add-ons page. Click on add-ons and you can get add-ons for basic, that is $10, or the essential pack, that is $30. In the basic pack, you get 12 minutes of AI generation. In the essential pack, you get 50 minutes of AI generation, 40 stock images, and add-ons. You can select any one of these, complete the payment, and you'll have that specific add-on. Now, you can also upgrade to a premium plan by selecting upgrade and clicking on get plus or get max. So we'll navigate to the basic dynamics of InVideo AI, how it works. So InVideo AI is basically a AI video creator that generates videos through descriptions you provide. For example, I will type in a serene beach at sunset with waves gently crashing on the shore and seagulls flying in the sky. The beach has golden sand and a few palm trees. So try to make your descriptions as effective as possible by making your prompt have all the elements you want, more comprehensive, easy to understand, and more visual elements and cues for the InVideo AI. Now, after entering your prompt, click on Generate a Video button. After you click on Generate a Video button, it will take you to this page where it will analyze your prompt and will ask you some questions. So you'll have to choose your audience, look and feel of the video, and platform. In the audience, I will choose travel enthusiasts or nature lovers. Now, the look and feel of my video should be serene, warm, or tranquil. So I will choose tranquil. Now, you'll have to choose the platform where do you want to post this video. YouTube, Insta, or TikTok. I will choose Instagram Reels and click on continue. Now, you'll have to basically wait for InVideo AI to generate your video from your text prompt. Now, as you can see, InVideo AI has generated this video for me. It also has voice. I will mute this and play this video for the preview. So this video is pretty good. Now, if you want to edit any elements like remove the subtitles, edit the subtitles, or provide a script for this video, you can place your cursor in this field and type the instructions. For example, if you want to edit the subtitles, make them colorful, make them short, or remove them, just type in remove the subtitles, click on generate, and InVideo AI will do as per your command. After you're done, you can click on download button and choose the download settings. So if you want to download this for free, you'll have to choose stock watermarks, normal, and 1080p as your download resolution. And click on continue. And if you want no watermarks, you'll have to upgrade to a pro plan. So after you click on continue, you'll be promoted to this page where your video will be rendered. So it says rendering video, preparing to download. After this preparation will get finished, you will get the download button at the bottom. Simply click on the download button that will be available just right here after the rendering gets completed, and you'll be able to download this video for free using InVideo AI. As you can see, I have this download button available. I will click here and the video is getting downloaded onto my PC. So that was all about how to use InVideo AI for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.